Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. So in the present video, we are going to look at MCQ on embryology. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and join my YouTube community for more videos. Question 1. The zygote undergoes cleavage, forming a solid ball of cells of the uniform size called A. Morula, B. Blastula, C. Gastrulation, D. Neurula. The answer is Morula. 2. The third layer to inform in gastrulation is A. Acantharon, B. Ectoderm, C. Endoderm, D. Mesoderm. The answer is Mesoderm. So a mesoderm is a third layer that forms in gastrulation. Question 3. The development of all organs that can be traced in single germ layer. The development of all organs can be traced in single germ layer. A. True. B. False. The answer is true. The trophoblast gives rise to A. Chorion, B. Neurula, C. Allantois, D. Placenta. The answer is placenta, D. Gastrulation occurs during the second week of embryonic development. A. True. B. False. The answer is A. True. 6. Cleavage begins at dash 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 dash. A. Vagina, B. Ovary, C. Uterus, D. Oviduct. The answer is oviduct, D. 7. The cavity inside the blastula is called as A. Blastocell, B. Blastomere, C. Gastrula, D. Animal hole. The answer is A. Blastocell. 8. The vertebrate embryo developed into hollow ball called as A. Fistula, B. Blastula, C. Gastrula, D. Morula. The answer is B. Blastula. 9. The embryo at 16 cold stage, the embryo at 16-celled stage is known as A. Morula, B. Gastrula, C. Blastula, D. Blastomere. The answer is A. Morula. Blastophore is the opening of A. Blastomere, B. Blastula, C. Gastrula, D. Acantharon. The answer is D. Acantharon. 11. At the time of implantation, the embryo is called as A. blastocyst, B. zygote, C. fetus, D. morula. At the time of implantation, the embryo is called as A. blastocyst, B. zygote, C. fetus, D. morula. The answer is A. blastocyst. Question 12. Which germ layer gives rise to the nervous system? A. ectoderm, B. endoderm, C. mesoderm, D. none of the above. The answer is A. ectoderm. 13. Which structure connects the developing fetus to the placenta? A. amnion, B. allantois, C. umbilical cord, D. yolk sac. The answer is C. umbilical cord. Question 14. The morula stage of nearly development typically consists of how many blastomeres? A. 8, B. 16, C. 32, D. 64. The answer is B. 16. In humans, the embryonic period lasts approximately from which week after fertilization to which week? A. Weeks 1 to 2, B. Weeks 2 to 8, C. Weeks 9 to 38, D. Fertilization to 1 week. The answer is B. 2 to 8 weeks. 16. Which infection is known to cause congenital cataracts in a developing fetus? A. syphilis, B. rubella, C. toxoplasmosis, D. chickenpox. The answer is B. rubella. 17. The myocardium heart muscles is primarily derived from which germ layer? A. ectoderm, B. mesoderm, C. endoderm, D. epiblast. The answer is B. mesoderm. Which of the following structure is responsible for bringing oxygenated blood to the fetus? A. umbilical arteries, B. umbilical vein, C. ductus arteriosus, D. ductus venosus. The answer is B. umbilical vein. 19. Neural crest cells which migrate to form various tissues originate from which germ layer? A. ectoderm, B. endoderm, C. mesoderm, D. hypoblast. The answer is A. ectoderm. The placenta's primary functions include nutrient and oxygen exchange and hormone production for fetal development. A. true, B. false. The answer is A. true. Question 21. This phase in the development of sperm has no counterpart in ovum development. A. spermatogenesis, B. phase of multiplication, C. phase of growth, D. polar body formation? The answer is A. Spermiogenesis. Question 22. During this phase, the nuclear envelope begins to disappear. A. Cytokinesis. B. S. Peace. C. Anaphase. D. Chromatophase. The answer is D. Chromatophase. Chromatophase. 23. In humans, the number of ova and sperms that will be produced from 100 secondary oocysts and 100 secondary spermatocytes during gametogenesis is A. 50 over 100 sperms, B. 100 over 100 sperms, C. 100 over 200 sperms, D. 100 over 200 sperms. The answer is C. 100 over 200 sperms. Question 24. The undifferentiated primordial germ cells are larger in size and their chromatin-rich nuclei are distinct in A. Growth phase, B. Multiplication phase, C. Maturation phase, D. All of these. The answer is B. Multiplication phase. Question 25. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis describe the process of meiosis in males and females respectively. This statement about both processes is true. Both are halted in an intermediate step until puberty. B. Both produce the same number of viable gametes. C. Oogenesis produce a larger gamete than spermatogenesis. D. Oogenesis forms two polar bodies. Spermatogenesis forms only one. The answer is C. Oogenesis produce a larger gamete than spermatogenesis. Question 26. Typically in humans, gametes are disease-free or even in other animals as A. Gametes are immune to diseases. B. Germs cannot attack gametes. C. Germ plasm is segregated easily and not subjected to diseases from which somatic cells might suffer. D. None of these. The answer is C. Question 27. The amount of yolk and its distribution are changed in the egg. This is affected. A. Fertilization. B. Cleavage pattern. C. Zygote formation. D. Number of blastomeres. The answer is B. This is affected cleavage pattern. Question 28. Hemoendothelial placenta takes place in rat and rabbit, B. Camel and deer, C. Goat and cow, D. ape and man. The answer is A. Rat and rabbit. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. This is where we are going to stop. Follow me in the next video for more questions and answer, and see you next.